with Remax Experience here, coming to you with a brand new segment called In 60. The goal is to get you valuable information in around 60 seconds. With no delay, let's start the first one. The first one's called Don't Ditch That Credit Card. Why? Well, credit utilization, or the amount that you owe, actually makes up about 30% of your credit score. So let's do a little scenario. You have 3 credit cards. The first one's a Visa. You have a $1,000 limit, you owe $0. The second one's a MasterCard. You have a $1,000 limit, you owe $500. And the third one's an American Express. You have a $1,000 limit, you owe $250. So your total debt is $750 and you have a $3,000 limit. That means you have 25% credit line usage. Okay, now if you take away one of those credit cards, you take away a $1,000 limit. That changes your usage to 37.5% credit line usage. That means your credit score is going to drop. Don't get rid of the credit card. Okay, cool. Give me a call with any questions, 954-566-0355. You can also reach me at tommyk.remax@gmail.com. Talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.